Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the easiest and fastest way you can make a zigzag cornrow. So sit back. Just like a regular cornrow, you want to section the portion you're going to be working with, and after doing so, I've already done some portion of the zigzag off camera, but I'm going to be showing you in detail how I achieved that. You want to keep this other portion out of the way so it doesn't distract you or it doesn't interrupt your work, okay? So the next thing is you're going to be resectioning these ones you've already sectioned like so. The hack is if you take the first sectioning to the left, you take the next one to the right. If you take the next one to the right, the other one will be to the left. So that way it becomes easier when you're going to start making the zigzag cornrow. You see the way I'm resectioning this hair, it is very important to achieve a faster way of making the zigzag and it is more effective. Okay, now I'm going over to start cornrolling like this, and I'm going to follow the resectioning pattern I've already laid out. Okay, so just watch me. I'm doing this and I'm going to turn over to the other side and then continue with this section and then just go and continue the cornrow. You see the way I'm doing it, I'm ensuring that I'm working with the parts I've already sectioned. First, I'm working with each and every pre-section resection part, if that makes sense. So you see the way I'm doing it, and I'm going to turn over again and then just pick out the section I've already resectioned, and then I'm going to be working with that solely, and I'm going to just go over and start cornrolling. If that makes sense to you, please hit the like button. Have you done so? Thank you so much. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, please kindly subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, and do not forget to share to your loved ones, those you know will find this video very helpful. I'll stop talking right away, and I would love you to pay rapt attention to the pattern and the way I went by in achieving this seamless zigzag cornrow. It is very easy and fast. If you don't understand, just kindly hold on and watch this video to the very end, and I believe at the end of the day you will be able to make your own zigzag cornrow. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. For starters, if you don't know how to cornrow at all, I'll be linking a video in the description box where you can go check a detailed beginner-friendly tutorial on how you can cornrow. Okay, that video you find it very helpful if you don't know how to cornrow at all. Okay, check it out in the description box because I'm going to be linking it in this video. You just want to be careful at the end of the day so you don't mess things up. Okay, so the resection part, you just want to ensure that you work solely with the part you've had in your hands that has been resectioned so you don't mess up the hair and get it ruined at the end of the day. So I'm going to go over and do it again this one last time, and I hope you find this video very helpful. So this last one, I'm just going to be showing you how you can achieve the zigzag curl in a seamless way. Do not forget to like this video so that others will get to see it, and then do not forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification button so you get notified each time I post valuable content like this. And thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing. If there's any hairstyle you're finding difficult to make, kindly let me know in the comment section so that I'll be trying that out too in one of my videos. I hope you find this video helpful at the end of the day and you're able to get value from it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.